How to make stickers on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now select the picture from where you want to generate sticker. You can either take the picture or also you can upload it from your camera roll. Once I have selected the picture, now what you have to do is at the right corner, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to this one icon. Now here, you're gonna find different tabs. Click on the tab scissors, then click on the option create. Now outline an object with your finger to make a sticker in this way. And with that, you have generated a sticker. You can see that. So this is how you can easily make stickers on Snapchat. Click on the same icon again, head over to the same tab, and over here you're gonna find all the stickers that you have generated. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.